Hey, it's Mega, aka the Art Messiah, here to save you from your art sins. Today is day 13 of my 30 days of making comics challenge. Welcome back. Today is going to be a very quick video, but we're going to dive into creating a script for your comic. So at this point, you should have your character designed, you should have your story plotted out, you should know what your main character wants, the main conflict, you should know the art style of your comic. And so now we are so very close to starting to draw the comic and getting to thumbnailing. But before we do that, we want to go ahead and get our script written. So there is so many different techniques for you guys to write a script, but the main objective and goal is to start to write down some dialogue and the actions and events that will happen page to page to give you pretty much a blueprint of what you're going to be drawing. Personally, I use OneNote to create all my scripts. Some people use Microsoft Word, some people use a special program specifically for script writing. But whatever you choose to use, just make sure it works well for you, it works well for the way you like to work, and experiment around with different techniques to create your script. So for me, since I am both the writer and the artist, I don't have to create a really detailed script because I already know what's going on in my head, but I do like to go ahead and write in some dialogue on what should be happening in the scene, what the characters are feeling, so that way when I come to draw it, I can remember all the details of the scene that I'm imagining. And so what I like to do is a few days, or I really like daydreaming and brainstorming. So my favorite thing to do is just to turn on some background music, maybe some like ambient music or some chill hop music or some orchestra music or whatever the feeling of the scene that I'm trying to write. I try to find music to match that. And I just let myself daydream, and I literally imagine the characters interacting with each other and, you know, going through these different scenes and what they might say, what they will see, what they will do. And as I think about this, I'm just trying to find something that flows. And then right after that, I try to write down as much as I can and as quickly as I can too. Don't be a perfectionist about this script. It's going to be edited and tweaked a lot. So I just encourage you to get to writing it as soon as you can and to not delay it. Sit down, write a first draft, and that's all you will need for now. So within, you know, a couple days, start to kind of write out a script and get the story kind of figured out more. What are going to be the character arcs? And, you know, we'll get more into these themes kind of later on. But just analyze some stories that you really enjoy reading and see how the pacing works and dialogue, and practice just scripting. So got there, script a few scenes, guys. I got some storyboarding done today, but that's about it. So I'm going to wrap up, and I'll see you guys next video. So take it easy. Peace.